In this tutorial, I'll show you how to upload Google Docs on Google Drive. By the end of this video, you'll have your document safely stored in Google Drive using the built-in autosave, and also know how to upload a downloaded copy as a separate file. First, method 1. Autosave, the easiest way. Open Google Docs. On the screen, go to the File menu and click Save. That's all you need here. It is automatically saved in Google Drive. Using this method, your Google Doc is stored in your drive without any extra steps, so you can move on confidently knowing it's saved. Now, method 2, upload file. This is helpful when you want a separate copy in a different format like Word or PDF. Start by downloading the file from Google Docs. In your open document, click File, then hover over Download and choose either Microsoft Word, .docx, or PDF. And now pick the format you need and let it finish downloading to your computer. This creates a local copy you can upload. Next, open Google Drive. On the Drive homepage, look to the top left and click New. From the menu, click File Upload. Your computer's file picker opens. Navigate to where the file was downloaded, select the downloaded file, and then click Open. You'll see the upload begin in the bottom right of Drive. Wait for it to complete. When the upload finishes, your file appears in your drive and it's ready to open or share. Done. At this point, you've used both methods to upload Google Docs on Google Drive. The autosave in Google Docs that stores your document directly in Drive, and the manual upload from a downloaded Word or PDF file. Your document is now saved and accessible in Google Drive. And for more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.